George thought Pescetti's would be a good location. But he wasn't making much money.
Oh, poor Giorgio. He's trying to earn money to buy a boat, but nobody seems to appreciate his music.
I think I can make everybody happy. George, those are really nice instruments. Can I buy them for $1? These are quarters, George. Each one is the same as 25 pennies. Oh. 25, 50, 75, 100 pennies, eh? And that equals $1.
Congratulations, George. Your piggy bank is full. Now why don't we open your bank and see if a pig's worth of pennies is enough to buy the boat you want? I know how to get your money out. Let's go to my house.
With Piggy's help, George had saved his money. Now his big dream was about to come true.
Here you go, George. This is the kind of piggy you have to break open. It's so you won't be tempted to spend your savings. Oh, okay. We'll think of another way. Okay, go, George! Phew. Maybe if we put Piggy in the clothes dryer, the coins would shake out. But it may break it, too. Sharky, stay! Sharky, no!
Well, Sharky solved the how to open Piggy problem.
Well, it's $8 exactly. You have enough for your boat, plus $3 left over.
George had his boat. But he was gonna miss Piggy.
Oh, the piggy bank. That's $1, and you have 3.
Any idea what you'll save for this time, George?